So in this problem, current across 2 ohm resistor is 1 amp, and if you consider this branch, these two resistors are connected in series. That means these two will be comes to under 2 ohm resistor. If two equal resistors are connected in parallel, so current will be equally divides. So if 1 amp current flows in this branch, so exactly same 1 amp current will also flows in this branch. So 1 plus 1 is 2 amps. 2 amps current flows in 2 ohm resistor. So that's why only current will be equally divided. And if we simplify this section, 2 ohm resistor is in parallel with 2 ohm resistor. So why? Because these two are in series. Whenever two equal resistors are connected in parallel, those equivalent will be halved. That means 2 by 2 is equals to 1 ohm, and 1 ohm is connected to 2 ohm resistor in series manner. So that means 2 plus 1 is 3 ohms. So that's the equivalent circuit will be 2 ohm is in parallel with 4 ohm resistor. So this total circuit will be comes to as 3 ohm resistor. So here is E. So the current across this total section is 2 amps. That means current across 3 ohm resistor is 2 amps, and the voltage across 3 ohm resistor is 6 volts. Why? Because 2 3s are 6. So the exactly same amount of voltage will be appeared across 4 ohm resistor. So, and if we try to figure out current across 4 ohm resistor using Ohm's law, I is equals to V by R. So that means 6 by 4 amps. That means 3 by 2 amps. So the current across 4 ohm resistor is 3 by 2 amps, and across 3 ohm resistor is 2 amps. So if we add these two currents, we will get total current. So that means total current equals to 3 by 2 amps plus 2 is equals to 7 by 2 amps. So this amount of current flowing through 2 ohm resistor. In order to calculate total EMF, we need to add the voltage across 2 ohm resistor and voltage across 4 ohm resistor. But we know the value of voltage across 4 ohm resistor is 6 volts. But we don't know the voltage across 2 ohm resistor. Using Ohm's law, we can find the voltage across 2 ohm resistors as total current is 7 by 2 into resistance is 2 ohms. So that means voltage across 2 ohm resistor is 7 volts. So total EMF is equals to 7 plus voltage across 4 ohm resistor is 6. So that means 13 volts.